Hi everybody, this is Kim. Welcome back to the second part of the Kids Excel Holiday Wish List video. I thought of some other fun things we could do with the information that we have from our wish list. Some of this may not be as easy for the kids, but maybe so. I bet they could catch on real quick. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is our data that we had. This is the toys that our children picked for their wish list, and this was the cost. I got rid of the store name and got rid of the pictures because all we need is really this data right here in order to do the things I'm going to show you today. So the first one, I'm going to show you how to sort. So if we highlight all of our data, you left mouse click and just drag your mouse until you have it all highlighted. We can sort this information on the wrong tab here. So make sure you're on your home tab, which is up here, and then go to sort and filter, and I'm going to do a custom sort. What I'm going to do is sort them by price. Oh, I skipped a step, so I'm glad I did this. Okay, so we have to put the name of toy and price. If you don't have column headers, it makes it a little more difficult to sort. You still can do it, but this just makes it easier. Okay, so let's highlight it again. Sort and filter, custom filter. So in this one here, where it says sort by, you can use a little drop down, and we're going to choose price. Now, if I didn't have anything in those columns like I started with, we'd have to use their cell address, like B2 and A2. See, because this is in B, column B, row 2. This is in column A, row 2. Anyway, since we did that, it makes it much easier. So we can just choose price. We can have from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Let's put the most expensive first. So there, so we have them sorted by the most expensive price down to the least expensive price. So that's sorting. That's pretty fun. You can use that custom sort to really get your listing looking exactly like you'd like it to. There's another thing I wanted to show you. So let's say your child got, I don't know, $300 for Christmas. And these are all the items that were left on his list that he did not receive. So if he has $300, so let's say if he has $300 and he wants to buy, he really wants the Mandalorian Child. So that costs $59. So what we need to do is create a formula to subtract the $59 from the $300 and give us basically a running balance here. So this is a very simple way to make a formula. You click in the cell where you want the answer to be. And formulas always start with an equal sign. So you click the equal sign. You can type your formula here, and this is the formula bar up here. It's exactly the same. So whichever place you want to type it is fine. So we're going to start with our balance, which is in this cell. So all you do is click on it, and a dash is minus, and then the 59 is how much we're going to subtract from the 300, and press enter. So that means we have $241 left. Okay, so we're going to move forward. Let's say the Star Wars Legos. So the Legos are now $40. So now we want to subtract the 40 from this. So you basically do equals this. So that's your running subtotal, right? Minus is the dash, whatever amount is in here, and press enter. Yes, you could manually figure this out, but the beauty of this is it will automatically do it. And if we change a price, it'll automatically change it. Like it ended up being $64 instead. It changes the totals and changes your running total. So that's the beauty of using a formula. So now let's get the drone. Drone is 20 bucks. Okay. We don't have to do the formula again. you can continue on and copy that formula down for this whole row. When you highlight a cell that has a formula in it, you well, there's other things that'll be in it, but you click this little handle, node, whatever you want to call it, and you drag it down, and it subtracted the 20. Let's go ahead and add the globe, the augmented reality globe. And that was 55. So he can keep shopping till he runs out of money. Okay, so he'll still have $176. So we'll go ahead and we'll drag that down again. Okay, he's got $121 left. Well, he really wants that Nintendo Switch, but he doesn't have enough for that. So let's see, what else does he want? How about the animal truck? I don't know why I can't type. Let's call it the animal. And that is 41. So now we just click and drag down our formula. So now there's $80 left. So he can pretty much get anything except for the Switch. Okay, the Beyblade. So he can see how much his money's dwindling away here as he's picking these toys. So let's see how much we're gonna have left. $45. So he can pick something else now. Let's say the Roblox. So the Roblox are 20. Oh, we're getting down there. So then we just, so it's $25 left. So he already got the drone. He already got the Roblox. He can get the Pictionary game. That's $14. 14. We'll drag down our, he has $11 left he can put in his piggy bank. So this is a good way of visualizing how much money he has left. And with the prices right here from our list, it made it handy. And let's say he got this globe on sale. It was only $39. You just change the price. And it adjusts everything else. So that's just a simple formula. It's real easy. I'm going to show you how to do it once again, just in case you forgot. So I'm going to start this on a new sheet, just so you don't have everything else in the background. Okay, so we have an opening balance. Let's say $450 this time. Excuse me. And then we're going to buy Legos. I don't remember what the prices were. It doesn't really matter. Let's say it was $25. So to get this price here, we want to subtract the 25 from the $450. So in here, we type the equals, and then we're going to click where our total is, $450 minus 25 equals $425. Now you can just keep adding things. Let's say more Legos. A bigger pack is going to buy it for us $65. So you just click here and drag that down. You can drag it down further and it'll keep your title there, the total there, and then as you add things, let's say remote control car for $85. Once you hit enter, it'll automatically change your title. So you could do that too. If you don't want to just do it once at a time, you could drag it down for multiple. He wants now a Playmobil set for $49. And then you just press enter and it'll automatically keep your formula going. Now, if you wanted to see how much you've purchased so far, you can always go like this. You highlight and leave the bottom one blank. Go back to your home tabs here. And then this button right here is auto sum. It'll automatically add it up and put your total here. So that's kind of cool. And I'm not really sure. So we spent $224. Our formula is still working over here. Let's get rid of that. So far we have spent $224 of our $450. Let me show you that again without, let's put some numbers in here. Okay, so there's our numbers. So we want to have a total here. You can highlight these and do it, or you can just have the box highlighted where you want your total and just type in auto sum. It'll tell you what the formula is going to be. It's going to be the sum of F3 through F6. So here's F3, F4, F5, F6, and you just press enter and you'll have your total. So that's kind of fun. So that's auto sum. And this was a running total, like a subtraction formula. So anyways, yeah, that's all I wanted to show you. It was just a little bit of an add-on onto our previous holiday wish list video. So you could use this for anything. You could use this for your bills at your house, your checking account, whatever. So this is a very useful, so it's basically choose the cell for the total, type in equals, then click the cell with subtotal in it, then minus sign, and then click the cell with the price paid. I'll just put that, and hit enter. And then the only thing you have to remember is you're going to copy down a formula. You drag this little node that's down here in the bottom right. I think it's called a handle. I always call it a node, but I think it's actually called a handle. And then you just pull that down, and that'll, so then if we put a number in here, it'll automatically subtract from that. Anyways, I hope this was useful. Hopefully your kids enjoy this sort of thing. I know my kids liked it when they were younger, and now they're older and they know how to use Excel, which is awesome. So thanks for listening, and please subscribe.